Welcome to ShortView Trading. It's your morning market hit for Thursday, 9th of July. What matters today for traders? Well, bullishness continues to abound in certain parts of the globe, driven no doubt by considerable liquidity that's being put into the system. China's a very obvious example of that, where the index is up again overnight and continued its series of several trading days of consistent up, and some of them quite significant. With that, China's gone almost near vertical, illustrating the liquidity that's being put into the system, and of course the sort of cheering on by the authorities as they encourage that bull market under a sort of patriotic type banner. But it's not just China, of course. We also see that with gold. Gold is breaking above $1,800, a level it hasn't been at really for several years now. And it's broken out of its trading range that was in place in sort of April, May into June. That's a liquidity indicator. That's telling you about plentiful liquidity. And of course, with that, the NASDAQ bounced again yesterday. So despite weakness the prior day, the NASDAQ bounced back. As you can see from the chart in front of you now, though, it's back at the top of its trading range. So we still think tech's toppy. If you look at a number of tech-specific indicators, whether you look at the NASDAQ's overbought nature at the moment, the chart in front of you now, or whether you look at a sort of put to call on the NASDAQ, or indeed a breadth indicator on the NASDAQ, they've all got the same message. It's been a good run in the past couple of weeks, and it's getting to sort of toppy levels. Interestingly, Nikola, the stock we highlighted yesterday, which had been down double digit in two prior trading sessions, yesterday bounced 30+% on the session, but remains way below where it was a few days ago, as you can see in the chart in front of you now. So it's only natural after you sell off sharply, you bounce a bit, and then you see where you go from there. But having said that, looking at the NASDAQ, looking at that range, looking at those models, it seems toppy near term to us. Some rotation is due in equity markets into other areas of the market, and I think the NASDAQ will struggle in that environment. So to see how we're playing this, please see today's Daily Rag, available to subscribers and through the website. So what are we watching today? Well, it's pretty light on the calendar. Weekly jobless claims out of the States, 1:30 London time is always interesting, of course. The Fed's Bostic is speaking 5 p.m. London time. We've also got a Eurogroup meeting later on today, last thing in the UK London time. So that's it from us. That's your morning market hit for Thursday, 9th of July. Thank you for listening. Please do subscribe on YouTube, LinkedIn, Twitter and or Facebook. Simply search under ShortView Trading. Thank you for listening. Stay safe. Trade well.